Delivery services represent a $118 billion industry that continues to grow at 5% per year. Delivery is a broad category that includes long-haul trucking businesses, courier services, food delivery, and e-commerce. Think about all the different retail products, packages, or grocery items that arrive on your doorstep each week. A delivery service of one sort or another brought all of these products to the home. But should your delivery business be formed as an LLC, corporation, sole proprietorship, or something else? And how do you even start an LLC for a delivery service? I dive into these important topics and shared the advantages of LLC for this type of business in this video. Let's get started. How to form an LLC for a delivery service business. Step 1. Choose a name for your delivery service LLC. Select a name for your LLC that reflects your courier and delivery business. Check if the name is available by searching the state's business entity database. Step 2. Choose a state to register your LLC. Once you have a name, register your LLC with the state in which you will operate. In specific, business-friendly states like Delaware or Nevada can be a good place to start. You can register your LLC in these states easily even if you live in another country. Step 3. Select a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or a business entity that accepts legal documents and notices on behalf of the LLC. You can choose yourself, a friend, or hire a professional registered agent service. Step 4. File Articles of Organization. This is a legal document that establishes the LLC and includes information such as the name of the LLC, registered agent, and the address of the business. File the articles with the state agency responsible for business formation. Step 5. Draft an operating agreement. An operating agreement outlines the internal operating procedures of the LLC, including how profits and losses will be distributed, how decisions will be made, and what happens if a member leaves the LLC. Step 6. Obtain necessary licenses and permits. Depending on your state and city, you may need specific licenses and permits to operate a courier and delivery business. Check with your state and local government agencies to determine the requirements. Step 7. Obtain an EIN. An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is a unique identification number issued by the IRS for tax purposes. Apply for an EIN online or by mail. Step 8. Open a business bank account. Separate your personal and business finances by opening a business bank account. This will make accounting and tax preparation easier and help you maintain good financial records. Step 9. Obtain business insurance. Courier and delivery service businesses face a variety of risks, including accidents, theft, and lost or damaged packages. To protect your business, you should secure adequate insurance coverage, including general liability insurance and cargo insurance. Also consider purchasing commercial auto insurance and workers' compensation insurance. Step 10. Maintain compliance. Once your LLC is up and running, it is important to maintain compliance with state and federal laws. This includes filing annual reports and paying taxes on time. You should also keep accurate records of your business transactions and financials. It may be helpful to hire an accountant or bookkeeper to assist with these tasks. Starting an LLC for your courier and delivery business requires some planning, legal paperwork, and attention to detail, but with the right guidance and resources, you can get your business up and running in no time. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. InkFile is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 5 minutes through InkFile. InkFile is one of the best companies out there to help you form your LLC. You can click on the link in the description to get access to this deal. InkFile is one of a kind as it offers a free package with services such as preparing and filing your articles of organization. Well, you still have to pay $237 for the state fees, which you would have to do anyway if you chose the DIY option. But looking at the bigger picture, all other companies will still charge their service fee on top of state filing fees. IncFile does not collect this fee. This plan already includes a free registered agent for your first year of subscription, and $119 annually moving forward if you decide to continue the service after the first year. IncFile's next packages are the Gold and Platinum packages, which both have package fees, already on top of the $237 state fee. Each package has its own set of services which are all worthy of the subscription you are paying for. The Gold package offers you the benefits of filing reports and taxes for your LLC. Every year, USA LLCs are required to file a state annual report. This report is essentially an information update of your file so that the state knows who is now in charge and how to contact your company. USA LLCs are also required to file state tax returns. To make matters even more complicated, your annual report and business privilege tax share a document and are due at the same time each year. With the IncFile's Gold package, you won't have to scribble notes of these reports because IncFile will handle the whole process for you. Your Platinum package also has these services in the bag with the unique addition of expedited filing, getting a domain name, and a business email which essentially increases your LLC's credibility. IncFile also has an exclusive partnership with Bank of America so you can easily open an eligible checking account for your business. Yes, it is a must for your LLC to have a business account. Remember, an LLC has limited liability, for it is a separate entity from its members. You may forfeit your liability protections if you combine your personal and business money, and this is where the term, piercing the corporate veil, comes into play. Piercing the corporate veil is an LLC jargon that refers to the court's action to hold you as the owner or member of an LLC, personally liable for the LLC's debts or actions. Now, if you have been sued by some lawyer who sees a crack in your LLC, they might resort to piercing the corporate veil in which you are in any position defeated. This is why opening a separate bank account for your LLC is so important. Do you like the level of detail I'm providing you in my review so far? If yes, then make sure to let me know by liking my video and hitting that subscribe button for more high-quality business content.